Welcome back to my channel, guys. We're going to be making some cornmeal pudding, known to some of us as spoon. Now for this pudding you're going to need some almond essence, all the spices that you're going to be using, vanilla, mixed spice and nutmeg, right? Sugar and cinnamon. Now for this recipe you're going to need vegan butter, all-purpose flour and cornmeal. I'm using the coarse one. You can use whichever one is convenient to you. Also I'll be using also some fresh coconut, but if you don't have fresh coconut you can use whatever is convenient to you. Let's get started. Alright, so we're going to combine all our dry ingredients first. We want half of a nutmeg, right guys? Now I'm going to rest this aside, blend the coconut milk and come back, right? Alright guys, so what I want you to do is to dissolve the sugar in the coconut milk. So in all I use 5 cups of coconut milk, right? We're also going to add our butter and dissolve that as well. Now don't forget guys to preheat your oven. It's very important, right? And I want you, after this is finished dissolving, I want you to reserve like about 1 cup of this coconut milk, right? Now guys, we're going to add the liquid now to the dry ingredients. To make this pudding is a lot of mixing, guys, lot of mixing, so just be prepared. We don't want no lump, right? Now guys, you see how smooth it is? This is how we want it, and don't worry how watery it look. That is how I like it, because when it bake it gonna come down and look so nice. Now we're going to remove, we're going to pour it out in a grease baking tin. And we're going to bake this at 360 degrees for 45 minutes. Now before that 45 minutes has finished, we're going to take this out like within 15 to 20 minutes of the baking time and put the slushy on it. That's what it means? That's what I call it. Alright, so we're going to bake it now. Now what I want you guys to do is to coat your raisins with flour. This way you prevent them from sticking, right? From sticking, from sinking. Oh my god. Alright guys, so now you can go ahead and add the coconut milk that we were saving behind, right? You can put it back in the oven until it's baked. Yes guys, it is finished now. You can see how lovely. Look, me tell me say it's hot like what. Me can't even cut it for show now. But thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate all of you. Don't forget guys to give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed as yet. Thank you. Until next time. Bye.